This Giantex mini washer slot is the classic ultra-compact solution, single tub, semi-automatic design, advertised at about 5.5 pound capacity and 170 W of washing power, making it perfect for really small daily loads, laundry, baby clothes, socks, and workout gear. On camera, I'd frame it as the light-duty hero for people who don't want the bulk of twin-tub machines and prefer super portability. Product details show it's lightweight, convenient to carry, energy efficient, and pitched at users who need a fast, no-fuss clean for delicate items. The product page's tone, and the customer snippets, skew practical. Reviewers often mention postpartum moms and apartment dwellers who love the convenience, and they praise the compact footprint and ease of use. But don't hide the limitations, since capacity and motor power are modest. Heavy fabrics or lots of jeans are out of scope, and you'll need to manage wash times and water levels carefully to avoid imbalance and noise. In the VLOG segment, I do a side-by-side demo with a small load versus a full towel to show the difference and visually highlight the size, weight, and cord length. For price positioning, comparable retail listings I checked put similar Giantex mini combos in a budget range. Examples around $110 on larger retailers at the time I checked, which makes it an attractive pick for people who want a cheap, effective shortcut to laundromat trips. Wrap up by outlining ideal users: travelers with longer stays, singles and micro-apartments, or those wanting a delicate-only machine, and close with the call to action we share by links in description box.